friends, my topic is GK question. First question goes to class nursery. How many colors are there in rainbow? 7 is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. In which season do you use raincoat? Rainy season is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. When is Christmas Day celebrated? My fourth question goes to class 1. When is Children's Day celebrated? 14 November is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. Which planet is known as red planet? I repeat my question. Which planet is known as red planet? Mars is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. What is the full form of LCD? I repeat my question. What is the full form of LCD? This question passes to class 4 to 5. Liquid crystal display is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. What is the full form of army? I repeat my question. What is the full form of army? This question passes to class 5 to 7. Alert, regular, minority, young is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. Which is the deepest ocean? Pacific Ocean is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. Which is the highest waterfall of India? I repeat my question. Which is the highest waterfall of India? This question passes to class 7 to 9. George waterfall is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. Who was the founder of Mughal intelligence? I repeat my question. Who was the founder of Mughal empire? This question passes to class 8 to 9. Babur is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. Volume of cylinder. I repeat my question. Volume of cylinder is. This question passes to class 9 to 10. Pi square h is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. How many medians are there in a triangle?
9 तक क्वेश्चन 9 तक है.
I repeat my question. How many medians are there in a triangle? class